Hola.
Hola. Esa madre ya no lo vuelvo a probar jamás. Amigo, tattoos, piercing.
Hello, bro.
Yeah, weed. Want to get high?
No, bro. I'm YouTuber, bro. Subscribe to my channel, bro. Gracias, man. Gracias. Gracias. Hi, guys. Can I put you on my channel, X365 TV,
Sure.
on YouTube?
Yes,
Oh, you're on
of
YouTube?
I come from
course.
New York City.
Okay.
I make videos
Nice.
on the
Toronto.
streets. On the streets. Where you from?
Toronto.
Where's it?
Toronto.
Oh man.
Yeah,
Oh,
just right up next
no,
door,
the way you
man.
said Toronto, man.
Yeah,
Oh,
sorry,
yeah.
sorry. Yeah.
That's how Michael Jackson's gonna say, man, Toronto. Or Eddie Murphy, Toronto. What's your name?
Rhea,
I'm Larry
nice to meet you, Larry.
Anderson.
Anderson. Cool, man.
Cool.
So you guys are here on vacation
Yeah, pretty much.
or on
Kind of
what's it called?
an extended
Yeah,
vacation.
like
extended.
We're gonna be here for a bit.
okay.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Rhea.
Fantastic. You're a princess.
Oh, thank you.
You're an African. You know she's a princess.
Yeah, of course. She's a queen.
No, she is, man.
She's a queen.
Yeah.
She is, man.
Oh,
Wait, so where are you from?
Same place, Toronto.
Wow, you're born there?
I was.
But
Yeah.
if you want to know our background, yeah.
Jamaica, Barbados. That's where my
Barbados.
parents are from.
Both of you?
Barbados, yeah.
Yeah.
Your husband and wife, boyfriend, girlfriend?
Boyfriend, girlfriend, but still my wife.
Cool, man, cool. You want to dance for me, man?
Oh, you want to dance?
Show some moves, man. Fantastic. You guys are too much, man. How long are you here for?
A couple months.
You're going to be here for a couple of months?
What about you?
I'm here for 4 days. I'm back. I came on Saturday.
Okay.
I'm back on Thursday.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah,
What part of New York?
the Bronx.
Bronx?
Okay,
Okay, so
okay.
I got family from there too, actually.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
But listen, I came here, I saw this place. I've been watching guys make videos here on YouTube, and I came here and it's fantastic.
Yes.
And I want to come and live here.
Yeah.
If I can, I want to come and to live here, bro.
For sure.
Yeah,
It's a beautiful place.
if you're able to come here to do business, set up a store, this is fantastic,
It
man.
is.
Sure,
It is.
the
It's
vibe
is-
beautiful.
You know, we come
It's-
from like big cities, so it's completely different here, right?
Man, this is so heavenly, man.
It is. It is.
You guys support your boy on
Of
YouTube.
course. Of
Yeah, so you have
course.
Instagram too, or-
Absolutely.
Yeah, that's right. Sorry,
Do you have Instagram too? or-
I do, but I'm pushing the YouTube first.
Okay.
Yeah, I want to push
I'll
it.
subscribe.
Yeah,
for
sure.
that'd be
Okay,
fantastic.
Okay.
And make comments. I have email there.
Okay. For
Shoot me an
sure.
email, guys.
For sure.
sure,
We'll
for
support.
You know, it
we'll
has the
support.
both of you. You know, I mean,
Okay.
yeah, you know.
course.
Take care, guys. Love you.
Okay, good luck with
Love
your
you.
channel.
Okay, take care.
Love you lots.
Take you.
Take
Take care,
care,
guys.
take care.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Okay.
Hey, ganja, what is
Hola. Hola. YouTuber. X365 TV. Por favor, subscriber. Por favor. Thank you so much. What's your name?
Jose.
Jose?
Sinay.
Sinai. Larry.
Nice to meet you, bro.
It's a pleasure, brother. Take care. Hola.
Hola, amigo.
Fantastic.
¿Todo bien?
YouTuber. Bien, bien.
Okay.
Bien,
my friend.
bien. YouTube. Fantastic, bro. Gracias. All right.
Thinking about getting drunk, senor?
Yes, sir. I make video for YouTube.
Oh, yeah.
Say hello, YouTube.
So you are you thinking about getting drunk?
No, sir. No, sir.
Whenever
I'm
you're
making
ready,
videos.
go with us.
I'm thinking about making more videos.
I'll be here.
What's your name?
Said.
Fantastic. Thank you, guys. Bro, subscribe, por favor.
All right.
She's
You
a
got it.
fantastic, beautiful lady. What's your name?
You're not asking.
Ingrid.
Okay, please, Ingrid.
I have one.
Oh, I saw you yesterday, man. I saw her yesterday.
Yeah, I have one. I can give you.
Ingrid, is Angela here?
Ángel.
Angela. Yeah, man. Take care, guys. Bro,
Don't get drunk.
Got you.
no.
Hey, don't get drunk.
On video. I make video, man. Every second, man. Every minute. That's what I do, man.
Hey, you used to, drinking too much.
I make video too much, man. Brother. Hello, bro. Thanks, man.